What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. Yes, I am talking to you. If you have not subscribed yet, smash the subscription button. Also, smash the like button. Salute to all the DD Nation, all the real ones, everybody rocking with me already on the channel. So we got an interesting video ahead of us. After an excellent day with Shib Inu yesterday, a lot of people are wondering what's going on today. So today we got a few things happening. We will be doing a live stream, so make sure you got notifications on for that. Also, we will do a technical analysis video, giving y'all some insight to what's likely to play out next on the chart. Is Shib Inu done pumping? Is it, gonna start pulling back now? We're gonna find that out. So make sure you have notifications on so you get the next video. Now, also, I wanted to talk about something that just happened overnight, man. For the culture, let's get this video to 1,500 likes, man. I know I've been asking that yesterday. I asked it once, one video did it. I asked it again. We weren't able to get it done on that video, but that's okay though. I think we can push it on this one. So leave me a like if y'all appreciate this type of content. Let's get into this, y'all. So large SHIB transactions witnessed jaw dropping 600% surge overnight. What does this mean? What does it mean for you? Now, in an astonishing twist of events, the SHIB token, known as SHIB, has demonstrated spectacular on-chain dynamics with an unprecedented surge in substantial transactions. According to Into the Block, a leading blockchain analytics platform, there has been an astounding spike in transactions valued at 100,000 or more. So this means large transactions in the SHIB army, bigger than 6 figures or 100,000 or plus. These transactions went crazy overnight. Let me tell you what this means. So notice Shib Inu was pumping. We were sitting around, we ate that zero. We were sitting around that 4 zeros, one level. What happened was a lot of people began to get excited and take those profits that they seen. And what happened was when all that selling pressure started, it began to pull the price back of SHIB. And when the price pulled back from SHIB, guess what happened? The whales came and scooped in and bought up every single token that anybody was selling for little bitty profits. This is what the whales love to do. They love to watch the price break out. They like to watch for the retracement, and they buy on the retracement and then anticipation for the launch again. So I hope that makes sense to y'all. So price breaks out, everybody excited. People start seeing gains, profits. People start selling, taking profit. And let me tell you this, I'm not mad at anybody for taking profit, getting some gains. Do whatever is best for you. I know a lot of people get upset when people continue to sell when the price is about to break out to new levels, but y'all, we can't be mad at them. Everybody has to do what's best for their own financial future. So keep that in mind. But this is how smart whales are. They don't even, sometimes they will, enter or put in some smart money to trigger that breakout. But this breakout wasn't triggered by smart money. This was just the community and anticipation of Shibarium and, hype. So once this breakout happened, the whales sat back patiently. They watched. They said, okay, we're going to see where the price breaks out to. And then we're going to wait for the price to start. We're going to wait for these individuals to start selling. Once they start selling, here we come. And once individuals start selling, they brought the price back down to a certain support level that is a key area. And whales came and stepped in and scooped up a ton of tokens at that point. So 100,000 plus purchases at that level. And this is what happens. Whales wait for y'all to dump, to shake yourselves out of y'all position. And not saying anybody specifically, but they wait for, investors to shake themselves out of the position. And then they come scoop it up. And then guess what? Price goes to a whole new level. People crying because they sold too early. That's usually what we see play out. But let's continue with this article. Within a mere 24-hour window, these high-value deals involving SHIB experienced explosive growth of 91 million, representing a staggering surge of 600%. So think about that. $91 million worth of these large transactions. That means 100,000 plus added up to 91 million. So on average, what is that? I don't even know how many transactions that is, like 90 transactions of $100,000 or plus. Absolutely crazy when you think of it. So this shows us that smart money is in the water. They're anticipating the release of Shibarium. We got 10 days left until Shibarium. If you think we're done, you might have another thing coming. Now, remember, I could always be wrong. I'm not a wizard. I don't have a crystal ball right here where I can, look into the future and see what's going on. But just, from history, it tells me that we still got room to go, especially if we can hold a key support level. Now, this next video is going to be very important because I'm going to be talking about some SHIB technical analysis. We're going to do this live. We're going to talk about the different price points where SHIB must remain in order for us to keep this momentum going. So now that you're seeing the price pullback, you can understand that this is potentially just a dip. What some people do is they buy the dip. Now the dip could keep on dipping, so keep that in mind. You have to look at those technicals to determine, are we along a key support level? And sometimes even if we're at a key support level, the price can still pull back further, if the markets don't cooperate. So keep that in mind as well. But make sure you smash the like button, 1. Make sure you subscribe, 2. And then make sure, 3, your notifications are on, so that way you can join us for this next live Shib Inu technical analysis video, and you could be prepared to make certain moves before the rest of the market takes place. Now, understand, I'm letting y'all know this stuff before it actually happens. So what we're going to talk about in this next video is not going to be things that already happened. It's going to be what's likely to happen next. So make sure y'all rocking with me. The meteoric rise in this crucial on-chain metric is being largely attributed to the mounting anticipation surrounding Shibarium, Shib Inu's proprietary layer 2 solution. With a significant event expected to unfold sometime in mid-August, the project's community has been buzzing with excitement. Although exact dates remain undisclosed, enthusiasts and participants alike are actively hyping the upcoming development. Shib Army is ready. The recent surge in large Shib transactions highlights the heightened interest and confidence in investors and community have in the project's future. So it's highlighting the heightened interest and confidence investors and community have in the project's future, y'all. This is investors, this is developers, businesses, companies that are willing to accept Shib. People's confidence is going up, y'all. And when that happens, we usually see more adoption. We usually see people buy more. We usually see people hold on for longer. And when that happens, the floor price usually rises, y'all. So connect the dots. But with the crypto world watching intently, all eyes are on Shib's next move. As the project team keeps details under wraps, the anticipation builds, and Shib Inu enthusiasts brace themselves for the possibility of even more significant developments in the future. So let's take a quick look at Shib Inu's price and the overall market today. So you see we are absolutely flat. What do I think is happening right now? I think the markets are, basically choking out those who want something to happen very, very quick. Usually the market, trade now. Obviously with Shib Inu, we had some excitement yesterday. Bone, we had some excitement. Leash, we had some excitement. Even Bad Idea AI was some excitement yesterday, up 40%. But with, these market makers, what they try to do is, when they trade sideways, that kind of strangles those who are getting bored or getting antsy. They don't see the price going up. They don't see the price going down. And especially, those who are, speculating on just, the price going up or down, not long-term investors. I'm talking about short-term traders and whatnot. This can cause these guys to, jump out of their positions, basically pulling the price down, letting it go up a little bit, pulling it right back down, letting it go up a little bit. What that does is knock out stop losses. That, people who enter the market at certain positions, what that does is target their entries and knocks them out. So that way that investor is likely to fall out. So I just want y'all to be understanding of what's going on with Shib. Overall market is flat, 1.16 trillion. What we seen happen with Shib Inu yesterday, according to the market, shouldn't have even happened. But that's just how strong the Shib army is. So Bitcoin 29,000, Ethereum at 1831, BNB 243, XRP 62 cent, Doge at 7 cent, Cardano at 29 cents, Solana 23.17, Tron at 7 cent, Matic at 66 cent, Litecoin 82.54, DOT at 499 at 13th place by market cap, and Shib at that 9364 level at 14th place by market cap with a $5.5 billion market cap. Now that tells us around $500 million was basically sold out of the project from where we were sitting at market cap. $500-600 million worth of gains people took out of Shib Inu. So when that happens, the price is going to pull back. We can't help that. But what happens is they have less and less tokens to be able to sell. So once the price does rally again, these people most likely will have to buy back at higher prices, unless they're wise investors and they took some profits at the top and then bought some more at these levels. That's a smart way that some traders decide to do it. But those that just took those profits and just left Shib, I don't think we done just yet. Now don't take my word for it though. Shib down 8.2%, up 11.25% in the last 24 hours. Let's take a look at Bone, see how Bone is performing. I'm pretty sure the ecosystem is pulling back today. We had a nice crazy day yesterday, and which is normal. To see these assets pump, they have to breathe. They have to breathe. So don't get upset when you see the next day that the price is, a little down from where it was the previous day. Because if it just shot straight up all the way to the moon, before it hits the moon, it's going to come crashing down and, have a hard time, even rebounding. They say, they take the staircase up and the elevator down. So you don't want it to, take that elevator up because it's really coming down even faster. So let's take a look at Leash. So leash at 518, we seen it around 600 yesterday, down 13.8%. So yeah, the ecosystem is pulling back, giving those the opportunity to shop for discounts. Like I told y'all, I like to look at discounts 10% or more. If I'm in a buying mood, I really like to, pull the trigger around 15% discount or more. But, this number is close, here to 14%. It's 13.8%. So we can just round that to 14%, close to that 15% for those that, are looking to grab some of the dip. Now, of course, Doge killer leash could pull back a little bit further, so keep that in mind as well. Usually when I buy the dip as well, I like to leave some funds where I can buy the dip at least 2 to 3 more times. If I buy the dip, I'm not just throwing my whole bag at it right there. So keep that in mind. But that's all we got for this video. Just want to keep y'all informed. Make sure you pull up to this next video. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss this next video. It's going to, provide a lot of clarity, so if y'all rocking with me, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. We got 49% of y'all that haven't already. Also, if you haven't smashed the like button, it's absolutely free to do that and subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are